Hello, in this video I want to show you how to monitor your progress on exampact, and to demonstrate this I would like to use Jide's account. So let's go into his account, go into Common Entrance, National Common Entrance 2018, Mathematics, choose Mathematics and then start the exam. So let's say Jide is taking this test and number 1 he chooses C, which is the correct answer, number 2 he chooses D, and number 3 he chooses A. Okay, now let's just submit. We've answered just 3 questions and submit. He's getting 3/40, which is 8%, and he failed a lot of questions. Now, after failing these questions, what Jide should do or must do in order to learn is to go to the questions he failed and study their solutions. In fact, if there are some questions that he guessed the answers and got them correctly, he should equally go into their solutions and study them. So take for example, he failed number 4, so let's go to question 4. Once question 4 opens, you will see the correct answer is B, and if you tap on details, you will see the solution to the question. Study this solution and perfect it. Now you do this for all the questions that you have failed. In fact, this is where the actual learning takes place. Studying this solution, learning the concepts behind it, the tips, the tricks, and all the logistics behind solving the questions. This is where the real learning takes place. Now when he's done, what he will do is to tap this close button at the top and retake the test. If he is retaking the test, Jide is more prepared for this exam because he has taken it before, he has failed some questions, and he has studied the question. In fact, he already knows some of the answers, but most importantly, he knows the concepts and he knows the tricks. So in doing this test, he's probably going to do better. Number 1, he chooses C. Number 2, D. Number 3, A. Number 4, B. And number 5, B. Let's just say he submits again. The first time he scored 3, this time he's scoring 5. His performance is beginning to improve. He still goes again to study the ones he missed. The same process. Go back to their details and read their solution. This is a cross multiplication question. Understand the concepts more and more again. See why you missed them again. And after that, repeat the same process. Retake the test. Start exam. Number 1, C, D, A, B, C, D, and D. Okay, this time around I answered 8 questions. And let me just submit. Okay, his performance is beginning to improve. First time he got 3, now he's here. The second time he got 5, now he's getting 8. Repeat the same process. Go to the ones you failed again, study again. Just continue the process until you perfect the entire knowledge, until you study and understand all of the solutions. Retake the test again. Submit. Now he's scoring 10 out of 40. So his performance just continues to improve, and he still gets to understand the concepts, the tricks, and the tips to writing common entrance exams. And as he's doing this, let's go to his scoreboard and see what's happening there. As you can see, 2018 common entrance, he has done 1 out of 7 subjects, and the one subject that he has done is mathematics, and you can see his 4th best score is 3, the 3rd best score is 5, his 2nd best score is 8, and his best score for now is 10. So he will continue to improve on this until his best score is 40 out of 40. And if you tap on mathematics, you see a graph showing his progress. You can see on his first score, which is 3, second one, which is 5, third one, which is 8, and the 4th one, which is 10. So as he continues to study and improve, his chart keeps going up until it hits the maximum, which is 40. And if you should do this for mathematics, if you should do this for English, quantitative, science, he would just be equipped with all the underlying concepts of solving common entrance exams. And when he has all these statistics and all these tips and tricks in his fingertips, well, he just gains this confidence and momentum that when he enters into the examination, the only thing he's thinking to himself is, where else are they going to get the questions from? Are they going to the moon to bring the question? Because everything they are going to ask, he has seen it before, he has done it before, he has studied it before. Now, this is what makes the difference between an intelligent child who just goes to school and does well in school, but when he comes to common entrance, he still doesn't perform as well as he should because he's not prepared for this particular exam. But doing this, solving questions like this, channels all the knowledge you have gained in school towards acing the common entrance exams. And this is why we designed this app, to help children ace common entrance exams and give them the underlying knowledge they need to enter secondary school with confidence. So this is how you monitor your progress on exampact.